everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can change the Windows DNS or the DNS server to make website load faster or for faster internet in our Windows 11 on Windows 10 devices, whether it's a laptop or a PC. Okay, so let's get into it. So whenever we change the domain name resolution or the DNS to a faster DNS, we enable the Windows to load faster and we get better performance with our browsers. So to do that, let's just follow the process that I'm going to show you in this video. So if you see an internet access icon in the taskbar, please do make a right click on it, just like this one, and then let's go to network and internet settings. Okay, so in here you will see under network and internet the internet connection that you are connected with, and as you can see for the properties, I am connected with the public network and the data usage is 26.14 gigabytes for the last 30 days. So let's go click on this arrow here and you will see under the Wi-Fi, I am using Wi-Fi, so I have here the Wi-Fi name and the properties. So let me just click on this one, and so this is the property window. So just scroll down a little bit, since this is a public network. Just scroll down a little bit and let's look for change DNS settings for all Wi-Fi networks or advanced Wi-Fi networks properties. Now let's go for change DNS servers for all Wi-Fi networks. Now here you will see the Wi-Fi properties, and all you need to do is just click on more adapter options. Now click on edit, and then this window will be up on your screen, which is the Wi-Fi properties window. So just click on Internet Protocol version 4, and then once selected, please click on properties, and then you will see here the under general tab we have obtain an IP address and automatically. Please go select that option, and for the below part, please check the use the following DNS server addresses option, and make sure that for the preferred DNS server you have 8.8.8, and for the alternate DNS server please type 8.8.4.4, and once done you can now click on OK and then proceed on clicking close, and let's just wait for this to be done. Okay, so the loading was done, and then let's close this one, and after doing that, just make a quick restart with your device and you will see some changes in the internet or when you're browsing the internet. Okay, so that's how you do it. I hope you follow the process correctly and accordingly. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.